So this is the 300 watt LED heavy duty work light with the extension pole. It's 100 watts per panel. We'll turn those on momentarily. Each one has its own individual power switch, so you do not have to use all three if you don't want to. You do have the opportunity to angle these with just, you can tighten them up where you need to or move them. Do the same with these. You can go to the left or right. You can angle this, each one of these just pops out. You can slide that all the way out if you need to. This one gives you your carry handle as well as letting you move your light. Got this extension post. Oof. Got this extension post. So you can go to a full 6 foot. At full extension, you get almost 6 foot of height. I'll show you guys how bright it is here momentarily. So coming from an angle here, because these are super bright, I mean like massively bright. Come back out here when it's dark and show you guys how well they really light everything up. That's one of the LEDs at 100 watts. Different, look, that's just one light. This has 3 lights. And once again, there's 3 light options. You have really bright, bronze, and not so bright. So this is a heavy duty LED work light with a stand.